In exercise 8A on page 15 of your textbook, there's this particular kind of question where you are asked to express some log expressions in terms of other given log expressions. And these log expressions are represented by some letters, okay? All right, so what do you do for this type of question? Basically, you are going to rewrite, okay, this number 12 in terms of some powers of 2 and 3. Okay, so it's kind of like prime factorization in this case. You're trying to form 12 using 2 and 3, form 60 using 2 and 3. And remember that besides these two given numbers, you can also use the base. What is the base? In this case, it's common log, so the base is 10. So you can also try to use 10. You can also use 10 to form the number that is given. For example, this 60 can be formed by 10 times 2 times 3, and then you can use log property. So it becomes log 10 plus log 2 plus log 3. Okay. So for common log, remember that you are allowed to use base 10. For some other questions where you have to change base, then make sure you change base to the base 9. Try to express it in terms of 3 and 5, and obviously it is something you can express in terms of 3. So here I will use the base changing rule, log 25 over log 9, base 10, because these two given expressions here are base 10. So I'm going to change them to base 10. So I can express this as 2 log 5 because it's 5 squared. This one, 2 log 3. Then crossed out, it's b over a. All right, so your whole goal is to try to express this chunk of stuff in terms of the given base and the two given log expressions. Okay, so here, easy, you can break it log 10 plus log x plus log y, then you have 1 plus a plus b. Okay, so for some questions, you will have to change base. Note that this base here is y squared, not y. Okay, not that is y squared. Let me give you one more example where some of them you will have to form a 5. Okay, for example, sometimes if you need a 5, you can do 10 over 2. If 5 is not an option, you can do 10 over 2. So how you express it is by breaking down the number into some products and quotients. For example, here, this is equal to log 2 minus log 27, right? But there's no 2 in this question. The base, again, is 10. Okay, I know this is equal to 3 cubed, so this is taken care of. But what do you do with the 2? You can write it as 10 over 5, right, minus 3 log 3. Then your log 10 minus log 5 minus 3 log 3. And this log 10 is 1, okay? And everything else can be expressed in terms of a and b, right?